Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you how to remove YouTube channel permanently. When you prepare or when you create a YouTube channel for any purpose, now if you don't want it, remember to delete it in YouTube. I will show you steps to delete it. Right, first of all you want to log on with Google. Then I will open Google Chrome website, Google Chrome web browser in my computer. And next you want to go to YouTube. Type YouTube in this search bar and press enter key. Now you can click on this icon, this link, YouTube. Now you can see YouTube videos here. After login with the YouTube, you want to sign in. Now you want to sign in with the Gmail account you provided to create your YouTube channel. You know, when you are creating YouTube channel, you have added email address. Then you can type it here. Click on sign in. And now you can enter your email address. Right. I will use another account here. I will type my email address. After typing email address correctly, you can click on next icon and you will enter password here. Now click on next icon. Right, for different purposes, some people preparing different email YouTube channel, many number of YouTube channels in one computer. Sometimes it will be a problem for you. That's why you are going to delete it. In my case also, I want to delete one of YouTube account in my computer. Now you can see there's an icon here, which means what? You are logged on with the YouTube account. Click on this icon, your user profile icon, and click on your channel. By clicking on your channel, you can go to your account. Here you can see one of channel and there's many video. Actually, I want to delete it now. How you can delete your account? I will click on this icon and I will go to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. You can go this icon, YouTube Studio. Right, click on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is a place where you can do all the changes for your account. And now you can see some icons here. From these icons, you can go to settings. Click on this settings icon. And now you can see basic settings here. From this, you can click on channel icon, channel, and go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, at the end, you can see manage YouTube account and remove YouTube account. Now you want to click on remove YouTube account. When you click on remove YouTube account, they will ask password again because they want to confirm whether it is you. Then type the password again. And press next icon or press enter key in your keyboard. Now there are some information here. Hide or delete your content from YouTube. You're about to hide or delete YouTube content for information technology. Now, information technology is the topic I have given for my account. Please choose one of the options below. One thing is you can hide your content. Hide mean what? I want to hide my channel. This will make your YouTube content and activity private. Now, all the content will be private when you hide your account. Select all the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be made private until you re-enable your channel. Your channel name, your likes, subscriptions, subscribers to your channel, all are private. But some information are deleted permanently. Your comments made on YouTube videos, your replies on YouTube comments will be deleted. Right now, if you want to hide your channel, you can click on this hide. I want to hide my account, but now I am going to show you how we can delete it. Then I will click on this. I want to permanently delete my content. If you want to hide, you can click on this icon. But in this case, I will go to delete it. Now there are some options we want to click on and we want to know some information. I want permanently delete my content. This will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with. Now information technology is my topic, channel name. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be permanently deleted. YouTube, your one video. I have uploaded only one video to my channel. Comments that you made on YouTube, all the comments will be deleted. Your replies and thumbs up on comments, your YouTube gift settings, your search and watch history, all the data regarding with this account will be deleted. Then we will click on this icon. Okay. Any paid subscriptions that on will be deleted. Then it's not any case for us. Then we will click on this icon also. Now you are only one step away to delete your account. Now what do you want to do? You want to click on this, delete my content. Right, this will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history, and watch history. This data can't be restored. Please confirm by typing in your email address. Again, they ask to type your email address. They will type it again. Now click on this, delete my content. Right, I have clicked on the icon. Now this update. Now your content is being deleted. Right, your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this take few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if we have a lot of content. Right, when you have more videos, it will take some time, some hours, few hours. But in my case, I think there's only one video. It is deleted. Right. Then I think you understood all the content in this video. I have discussed with you how we can delete YouTube account permanently. I think you got idea correctly. Then if it is video useful for you, don't forget to comment. Or when you have any problem regarding this video or this topic, put comment, and also don't forget to share this video, and also subscribe my channel, and also share my channel for others. Right, stay with the channel, and goodbye for today. We will meet in our next video.